Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see theorem 9.2. Theorem 9.2. Let us see what is the statement. The lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. In short, we can remember that the lengths of tangents are equal. In short, let us see how to prove this. Before that, let us draw a circle . For example, this is a circle with center O. Now let us select an external point from which we are going to draw tangents. For example, this is the external point. So from here I am going to draw tangent to this circle. This is the first tangent. This is the second one. So let us consider this one and this one. These points are, this let us consider as A. Here A is point of contact and this point can be taken as B, and here let us take that P as an external point. Now here let us see what should be proved. Given a circle with center O, a circle with center O, PA and PB are the tangents. PA, PB are the tangents drawn from the external point P. Now let us see what is to be proved. To prove the length of the tangent, here you observe carefully, length of the tangent means it doesn't mean that from P to the end point. It's not that meaning. Length of the tangent means the distance between the external point and the point of contact. So here length of this tangent is PA. Similarly, length of this tangent is PB. Now we are going to prove those lengths are equal. That means here we need to prove PA is equal to PB, for which we need to do a small construction. The construction is that join OA and OB and OP. So let us write join OA, OB and OP. Right. Now let us see its proof. Here we see the proof. We know that the angle between radius and the tangent at the point of contact is 90 degrees. That means here angle A is 90, similarly here also angle B is also 90. So if we take the triangles PAO and PBO, let us compare some of the angles or sides so that we can prove them both the triangles are congruent, so that we will get this conclusion. So now we are going to take the compare the triangles PAO and PBO. So let us write here, from triangle PAO and triangle PBO, here in this triangle angle A and in this triangle PBO angle B, both the angles are is equal to 90 degrees each. Here the reason is that the angle between here, since the angle between radius and the tangent, radius and the tangent at the point of contact is 90 degrees, based on which we can say angle A is equal to angle B. Here OP is equal to OP is a common side. So here we can write OP is equal to OP. This is since it is common side. Right. And OA is equal to OB because both are radii. These are the radii of the same circle. Right. Observe carefully. Here this 90 degrees nothing but right angle. Here also it is right angle. Here OP is hypotenuse for both the triangles. So here this OP will be hypotenuse. And here we are taking OA and OB. Those can be the sides. So by RHS congruency axiom, these two triangles are congruent to each other. So let us write. See here this is 90 degrees. As it is right angle, OP and OP, this is hypotenuse, and OA and OB, these are one of the sides. So we can write by RHS congruency axiom, the triangles what we have taken, triangle PAO is congruent to triangle PBO, right? We know that when two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT means the corresponding parts of congruent triangles. By CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Here what is our requirement? PA should be PB. Here you see PA. For this corresponding side is PB. So we can write PA is equal to PB. That is what here we need to prove. Therefore we can write, therefore the lengths of tangents are equal. With this theorem is proved. So we can write here, hence proved. With this theorem 9.2 gets completed.